In Chapter 13, we are told that we need to see what we want to accomplish with our speech. We need to ask, when we get done with this speech, what do we really mean? What do I want to convey to the audience? This will help us with getting our point across in the speech. And then we also need to use familiar words because the audience does not have a dictionary right in front of them. So if we don't use familiar words, then they won't know what we're trying to say. We also need to be careful of clutter in our speech. The book says that it is hard to recognize clutter and hard to get rid of it. And if we have so much clutter in our speech, they will not know the main point that we are trying to get across. In Chapter 13, there are 4 basic types of speeches. The first is to read the speech verbatim, the second is to memorize the speech, and the third is to speak impromptu. With each of these speeches, we need to have hand gestures and make eye contact and build a strong bond with the audience. Chapter 16 discusses the importance and process of writing a persuasive speech. I did not realize we use persuasive speaking every day. It is important to know how to write a persuasive speech and how to know how to back your argument and other people's argument. It is important to be able to talk to someone about what you believe on this subject and lay out your opinions, and also know what the facts are. This chapter discusses a lot about how to write one, discusses how to organize the persuasive speech and how to write one, and it helped a lot with this week's speech. And I learned that how to write a speech based on value. This chapter discusses different methods of persuasive speaking that are used in writing a speech. There are factors of credibility, which look at how well the speaker got their point across and the facts that they used. A speaker's credibility is also based on the fluency of the speech. I've learned a lot throughout these chapters, and I hope it helped me in my speech this week.